Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me?
Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing some rare gems on my secrets to a fresh and amazing smelling home.
Stay with me now till the morning light. Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away.
Okay, so a clean home is paramount when we're talking of an amazing smelling home. So you want to make sure you clean your space, make sure you take out your trash and air out. And I love to open up my windows, especially since it's spring now and the weather is so good outside. Opening your windows lets in fresh air into your home, which also help make sure it eliminates any smell or odor. Like, I love it when I open up my windows. It kind of helps circulate air all over the house, and by so doing, guys, you would be so surprised how, opening up your windows, making sure you air out your home, how it just makes everywhere smell so fresh and very, very nice. So the refrigerator is actually one of the places in the home that stores a lot of odor because of the different items in there. And how I make sure to keep that area smelling amazing is to use baking soda. This right here is a magic product, guys. They actually have the freezer baking soda, and you can also use like the regular baking soda. And this right here, you guys, it helps eliminate all the fresh fruit smell, all the you guys know how the refrigerator smells sometimes, especially if you're not in the habit of cleaning your refrigerator. So another secret of mine is diffusing some essential oil, and I have different favorites, guys, and I love to go ahead and add some essential oil inside my diffuser. And this right here, guys, this kind of helps circulate that smell all over your home, especially in the kitchen. I actually love to do this in the kitchen, guys, just to make sure my kitchen is smelling really, really nice and very, very fresh. So using fresh linen spray in the bedroom or even living room gives those areas an amazing smell. I love to go ahead and just spray some of this of the linen spray all over my bed, especially like towards the headboard, and also sometimes I love to go ahead and spray some inside my living room. Like, it just makes everywhere smell really, really nice, guys, especially if you're expecting visitors. Okay, so you guys know a trash is called a trash for a reason, and the trash actually has the most annoying smell in the home. So in order to eliminate the smell, guys, what I love to do is to go ahead and use some Pet Fresh odor eliminator. This right here is amazing, especially when you go ahead and pour it inside your garbage, and then go ahead and put in your lining, your bag lining. So that way, it's not coming in contact with whatever it is you're putting inside your trash. And if you don't have this product, you can also use some fabric softener sheets. This right here smells amazing also, and I just love to do it exactly the way I did with the other powdered product. Also with the sheets, I love to go ahead and put them inside shoes, especially now you guys know it's summer and everywhere tend to be hot, especially our shoes. They all have this smell to them. So I love those hidden smells. You can't predict where they are coming from, and I love to do this especially in my bathroom, guys. You know how sometimes when you're using the bathroom, you can kind of perceive this very nice amazing smell, and then you're looking around to find out where the smell is coming from and you can't find it. That is because I love to put some essential oil on my tissue, and this right here, you guys, is a very nice trick, because when you roll the tissue, guys, like, the smell from the essential oil just filters the whole bathroom. Oh, there's just something about fresh laundry, guys. Like, I love doing laundry just for the smell. And whenever I'm doing my laundry, guys, I love to use this laundry beads, and these beads smells heavenly. Like they smell amazing. Like if you've searched your house and you don't have anything to kind of spark up some smell, just go ahead and put some of your fabric beads inside a bag and just hide them inside your sofa, your bed, anywhere at all you want to, smell really, really nice. This is a very top secret I love to do whenever I want to, refresh my home, whenever I want my home to smell nice.
I know that you feel it too.
So ain't nothing like using your fresh spice to refresh your home. And over here, I love to do some aromatherapy. And of course, you can use any of your favorite spice. I love to use some rosemary, lemon, and cinnamon, like a combination of these three. We have, some citrus, which is the lemon, and also the cinnamon, and the rosemary is a very good spice. This right here, whenever I just on them and leave them to simmer and just boil, it gives my home this very nice smell. I really, really, really recommend this. And also, of course, this can be used to spray all over your house. Once you let it cool down, you can put it in a spray bottle and just spray it all over your house.
We'll find the remedy.
And please, if you're finding this video helpful, kindly take a moment and hit that like button below. It really helps us. And of course, the next thing I also love to use is some wax warmer. This right here is another secret of mine. All you want to do is to go ahead and plug the warmer, add some of the wax, and this right here, it just gradually melts, and as it melts, it leaves your house smelling heavenly. And of course, wiping your countertop with a very nice smelling cleaning spray also helps to make sure your kitchen is smelling nice, or even your bedroom, your living room, anywhere at all, guys.
That I'm sober, just listen.
They have a lot of other fragrance spray out there in the market, and I absolutely love the Glade and also Airwick. Like, guys, if you come to my house, every area, like every room in my house has this. When I mean the kitchen, the living room, the bedroom, the hallway, everywhere, guys. And this one right here works automatically. So all you want to do is to go ahead and add a battery, set it to kind of the level you want it. If you want it to spray every maybe 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, this right here is actually a very quick and simple way to always make sure your home is smelling really, really nice. You can leave them in different settings in the different areas in your home, so that way you would make sure everywhere is always smelling really, really nice.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen. I'm
You guys know all these artificial fragrances are derived from your flowers, and you can never go wrong by getting in some fresh flowers into your home, guys. Like, I love me some fresh flowers, even though sometimes they can be very, very difficult to maintain. But guys, like, the smell from fresh flowers, you can never duplicate it. So of course, bringing in your fresh flowers also helps a lot with adding a lot of smell, and helps your home smell really, really nice and amazing. And then when it comes to the bathroom, guys, this small spaces fragrance from Febreze is actually something I love to kind of dispense in my bathroom. This right here smells amazing, guys. Once you go ahead and open it up and close your bathroom door, whenever you open your bathroom, guys, you just get welcomed by a very nice kind of delicious smell. Let's not forget our candles, guys. Candles is actually one kind of fast and easy way to refresh your home, to make your home smell nice and amazing. And of course, my favorites are always from Bed Bath and Beyond, or from Bath and Body Works.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right.
All right, let's get in some Fabuloso, guys. Like, this right here is actually a fragrance liquid or whatever you call it. You can use it for cleaning your home, for mopping, for anything, guys, but I especially love to use it inside my bathroom. Sometimes I love to pour it inside my cleaning brush, you know, the brush we use for the toilet. I also love to go ahead and open it up and insert it inside my water tank. And you guys, this is actually a very good trick. If you want to save some gallons of water from your water tank, you can go ahead and dip something heavy inside it, so that way it takes the water, just a little water, to fill up the tank, guys. And also at the same time, it helps release a very nice fragrance and smell whenever you go ahead and flush your toilet. And yep, guys, I believe this is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.